So this is the image that I created with Gemini AI, and now you can make your video with VEO 3 to image to video. So watch the result first.
The age of AI has just begun.
So as you can see, the results are pretty good here. Now you can use your image to create a video in VEO 3 with Google Flow AI, and I'm going to show you how to use this to create your own image and turn this into a video with audio that I created. So this is the video that created with Flow AI. So first of all, you just need to come to your Flow account, and if you're outside of USA, just connect to the US location. Okay, so after coming to the Flow account, you just need to click on new project, and of course you will need a pro account to do this, otherwise it will not work. And after coming to your Flow account and create a new project, to create a image to video, you just need to click on this text to video and select frames to video, which is going to work for the image to video. And after that, you just need to select a VEO 3 fast option. Now it's selected, as you can see, and you should select the VEO 3 first option for the beta audio because it's going to only give you 20 credits. So it's going to last users only 20 credits. So if you can choose outputs per prompt 1, that will be good because AI videos are pretty expensive to create. So after choosing the VEO 3 fast and outputs per prompt, you just need to upload your image. So I'm going to upload this image and create an intense card change video with the VEO 3. So to upload the image, click on this plus icon and click on upload. And this is the image I'm going to upload. And if you just crop and save, as you can see, it's already perfected to fit and crop and save. So I'm just going to click on crop and save. And also if you want this watermark remove, you can do that. But for example, I'm just showing you this. So after uploading the image, we're going to use a prompt. So I created the prompt with ChatGPT. So I also mentioned that I don't want any background music in the video because Google VEO 3 just adds some background music with the scene, with the objective scene, like if you have a car or anything like that. So I just created with the prompt with ChatGPT and pasted on the frames to video. So here's, I have already created a video, but let me show you how to create this, and just click submit and it will start to create the video for you, and you just have to wait for a couple of seconds there. And also make sure to choose the VEO 3 fast and outputs 1 per prompt. It will use only 20 credits. So our video has been created. Let's see the video and just go to the full screen option and just play. So the video is looking pretty good here, just like I wanted, no background music, and I want the intense scenes of a two-car chasing. But there's some glitch there, you can see, just like this are falling down from the building. I don't want this, but it's pretty good. Now you can create videos with your images. So the second generation is also here, which I created with the same image. So let's just play this again. So this generation is kind of glitchy because you can see there the road kind of changed, and suddenly there's a building approaches in the road. And but by the way, the sound effect is pretty good here, and the first generation is good because this was the kind of video that I wanted. So that's it, guys. This is the video that I want to share with you. Now you can create image to video with frames to video option in Google Flow with VEO 3 option. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.